Hello and welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog that I am heavily procrastinating on, but not anymore. We're gonna be more consistent. Happy Taco Tuesday. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be eating tacos today, but I am going to be taking you with me to my night class, and we are currently here at the Homies Empowerment Fridge where I just put up pastries and I donated because I had the time to bake this morning. We are now gonna go to Pete's Coffee because I deserve matcha, and I'm gonna be in class from 6 to 8:50. So thank you for being here and welcome to the chaos. Hello, and you are inside the Homies Empowerment Fridge. Today we are here because we had the time and we had the stress to stress bake this morning. So today I made some treats. The ingredients and the treats come from the Sal community. The milk that I use, the eggs that I use, and the baking stuff that I use came from my job at San Leandro Grocery Outlet, Bargain Market. So I just have some brownies in this bag right here that I got from the dollar store. So this is like $1.25, and then the food treat mix was like $4 for 2 boxes, and it was able to make maybe 40. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it maybe up here. Maybe that would be a good spot for it. And then I had some leftover snacks that I wasn't snacking on anymore. Yes, clean. And I just bagged it up, and I'm gonna be putting it in here as well. My why. What is my why and why am I doing this? Because I used to be homeless too a few months back because I was going through my awakening, and I just was going through wandering in the streets, and it was really rough. So I understand what it's like to be hungry and not have food, and I'm understanding, and I'm very, very much so patient, and I understand how addiction works. And half of the people that pass by this fridge are maybe people who come from a domestically violent household, maybe people who lost their home because rent here in the Bay Area is unbelievably expensive. And even though, and actually maybe you're a drug addict and you're taking heroin or you're shooting up or whatever you do to help you get by through the day. I understand it all, and even though and even if, I believe that you should still be able to eat. That you should still be able to have something in your tummy. Because you deserve to eat. Because in the first place, food should be free. And if it is your birthday today and you happen to pass by this fridge, I made you some pops and I put a note on it. It says, happy birthday, happy whatever special event. And I'm gonna go ahead and add these birthday signs that I also got from the $1.25 store that I used to manage, and I am now able to go back and get stuff from them with a discount. Even if you're homeless, I still think that you deserve a birthday cake, a birthday treat, some kind of love. We are now in school. We have 30 minutes to spare before class starts. I'm probably going to either just sit in my car or sit on the grass. I'm pretty sure these lawns are kept up with. They look clean. Last week, during the first day of first in-person class, all we did in class was listen to Kill Bill by SZA. So I wonder what we're doing today. I'll let you guys know. We are now 10 minutes before class starts. That means that my gut is gutting it these days. That means that we are going to be walking to class and I will be taking you with me. Mind you, I'm recording you from my iPhone, trap phone. So, welcome to Merritt College. This is a college on top of the hill. It is a transitional and vocational college. Transitional meaning if you are coming from high school and you want to transition onto a 4-year university or a 2-year university, you can do that here. If you are maybe a vocational type of person where you don't want to really go to school, you want to go to school but you want to automatically have a career, so this is also the school for you. We are at the parking lot that I park at, and there is health science here, there is nursing, there's communication, there's psychology. Merritt is one of the 4 Peralta colleges, one of the 4 major colleges here in Oakland, California, and it is actually free this semester, which is why I signed up. And when you sign up, you have to sign up for like maybe 12 unit classes, so that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 4 classes, and it is all free. You don't have to pay for anything, no type of parking payment, no type of book payment, unless your professor is one of those kind of professor, which mine is, who requires a book. And financially, it actually gave me $600 for enrolling here, so we're here. And now we are gonna be going to class.
Visual criticism class. It's not photography at all. It's an interdisciplinary team class.
Going to class.
Ways to be engaged.
Thank you. Where's the playground? I don't want to sit there. I want to sit here.
It brings me to the fourth class, doesn't bring me to this class.
Okay, that's a problem. But I do see you in the show. So. Right? Super low. I mean, I think the range there was pretty a narrow range low. Usually it's like where men would sing that in like an ensemble. But one of the biggest singers. I mean, do you remember how many people attended her funeral? It was like 1 million. Yes, cool stuff. Okay, so let's move on. Here's another one. Where would we classify this? So, anyone heard of Lou Therese? She moved to LA, this maybe back in the 50s, 40s or 50s, to study as a soprano. Let's check it out. Sorry for that. I'm gonna sit through the whole thing.
That's going to be the next step.
Hello. Let's go run to my car because it's cold and it's dark. So today we learned about orchestra hit. You know how in Bruno Mars where he has that one song where he's like channeling nostalgia and in every song, but I forgot right now because I'm trying to rush to my car. Why is it so dark? But yeah, I learned about orchestra hit, and then we kind of just listened to music like the whole entire time of the class, and then I'm an overachiever, so I thought that it would be a good idea to just volunteer and do my final project next week. Oh my god, my car is the only car out here. It's really cold. Beep beep. How are you doing?